Grow your own sage, a beginner's guide to flavor and wellness. Tired of bland meals? Want a garden that's both beautiful and useful? Then get ready to unlock the secrets of growing your own sage. We'll show you everything you need to know, from seed to delicious dish. Sage is a culinary powerhouse. Imagine adding freshly picked sage to your Thanksgiving stuffing, roasting it with chicken, or infusing it into a savory sauce. The flavor is simply unmatched. Fresh sage is always at your fingertips when you grow it yourself. No more last-minute grocery store runs. Plus, it's significantly more flavorful than dried sage from the store. Beyond the kitchen, sage boasts potential health benefits. Some studies suggest it can aid digestion and even improve memory. It's a win-win. And let's not forget its beauty. Sage adds a touch of elegance to any garden with its soft, silvery green leaves and delicate flowers. It's a feast for the eyes and the palate. Did you know there's more than one type of sage? Let's explore some popular varieties to find the perfect fit for your garden and your taste buds. Common sage, Salvia officinalis, is a classic choice. It's incredibly versatile and offers that familiar, earthy flavor we all know and love. Purple sage is a stunning ornamental variety. Its vibrant purple foliage adds a pop of color to your garden, making it a true showstopper. Pineapple sage is a unique and fragrant option. As the name suggests, it boasts a delightful pineapple scent and flavor, perfect for teas and desserts. Consider your climate when choosing your sage. Some varieties are more cold-hardy than others. Do a little research to ensure your sage thrives in your region. Ultimately, the best sage is the one you enjoy the most. Experiment with different varieties to discover your personal favorite. There are two main ways to propagate sage: from seed or from cuttings. Both methods are relatively easy, so choose the one that suits you best. Starting from seed gives you more control over the variety. Begin indoors 8 weeks before the last expected frost for a head start. To start seeds, sow them in a seed starting mix. Keep the soil consistently moist and provide plenty of light. Taking cuttings is a faster way to get a mature plant. Select a healthy stem from an existing sage plant. Cut a 6-inch section of the stem. Remove the lower leaves to expose the nodes where roots will form. You can root the cutting in water or directly in soil. If using water, change it every few days. If using soil, keep it consistently moist. Regardless of your chosen method, patience is key. It takes time for roots to develop and for the plant to establish itself. Sage thrives in sunny locations. Aim for at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day for optimal growth and flavor. Well-draining soil is crucial for sage. Soggy soil can lead to root rot, so avoid heavy clay soils. If planting in containers, use a well-draining potting mix. This will ensure proper drainage and prevent waterlogging. Water regularly, but avoid overwatering. Allow the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Fertilize occasionally with a balanced fertilizer. This will provide your sage with the nutrients it needs to flourish. Pruning is essential for maintaining a bushy and productive plant. Trim back the stems regularly to encourage new growth. The best part about growing sage is harvesting and using it. Learn how to harvest your sage for the best flavor and how to incorporate it into your favorite dishes. You can start harvesting leaves once the plant is established. This is usually a few months after planting. Simply snip off leaves as needed. Avoid removing more than 1/3 of the plant at a time. Harvest in the morning for the best flavor. The essential oils are most concentrated at this time of day. Use fresh sage immediately for the most intense flavor. It's perfect for adding to sauces, stuffing, and roasted vegetables. To preserve your sage, you can dry it. Hang the stems upside down in a cool, dry place, or use a dehydrator. Dried sage can be stored in an airtight container for several months. It's a great way to enjoy the flavor of sage year-round. Don't forget about using sage in teas. It's a soothing and flavorful beverage that can be enjoyed hot or cold. Even the easiest plants can sometimes encounter problems. Here are a few common issues and how to address them. Keep an eye out for pests like aphids. These tiny insects can suck the sap from your plants. If you notice yellowing leaves, it could be a sign of overwatering. Adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Good air circulation is essential for preventing fungal diseases. Ensure your plants have plenty of space and airflow. If you're unsure about a particular problem, don't hesitate to consult online resources or your local gardening experts. They can provide valuable advice and guidance. Growing sage at home is a rewarding experience. You'll have access to fresh, flavorful herbs whenever you need them, and you'll enjoy the beauty of this versatile plant in your garden. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of growing sage. With a little care and attention, you'll be enjoying the fruits, or rather the leaves, of your labor in no time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It helps us reach more gardeners like you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. We're always sharing new ideas and inspiration.